What you can see behind me is gravel Triban 120 bike that my wife is riding, and she's the only person on the planet that can make the chain fall off from this thing, but she's doing it regularly. So basically 500 kilometers on the bike and we really have a problem. So I started to investigate and I did a number of things. Started regulating everything, figure out that actually there should be a narrow wide crank, but there is not, because the Catalan obviously wanted to save some money. I did some regulation on the derailleur. I looked at the crank and I actually ended up even buying a new crank. So this came from AliExpress, a beautiful, nice, narrow, wide crank, but the chain line is totally wrong. So I will need to send it back. And I finally stopped asking myself which part should I replace and started asking why this damn chain is actually able to escape. There is a guide that prevents this chain from falling off inwards, but it falls outwards and gets between the crank and these chain guards. So I thought, maybe the chain guard is wrong. There's basically too much space between the crank and the chain guard. So I actually designed this. This is the chain guard with a slightly different offset than the original one, and it was a bit too close to the chain guard, so I designed a second version that is even lighter. So let's install it and test. Okay, so we need to unscrew. There's 5 screws over here. And you can see here that the offset of the new thing, the gap is slightly narrower. So let's install it. Here it is. And now there is no space for this thing to fall. And honestly, my wife already did like 1,000 kilometers after this fix, and it works. Thanks for watching and happy printing!